Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable broth. First, gather your core ingredients. Carrots, celery, and onions are excellent starting points. Don't forget some fresh herbs like parsley and a bay leaf or two to deepen the flavor. You'll also need a large stock pot and approximately 8 to 10 cups of water to get started on this simple, flavorful broth. Once your ingredients are ready, give your vegetables a rough chop. There's no need for perfect cuts or even peeling. Place everything into your large pot, then add your 8 to 10 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over high heat. After it reaches a boil, immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Allow your broth to simmer gently for at least 45 minutes, or for up to 2 hours for a richer flavor. Once it has simmered sufficiently, carefully strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth. Gently press down on the cooked vegetables to extract every last drop of that delicious, nutrient-rich liquid. After straining, let your homemade vegetable broth cool completely to room temperature. You can then transfer it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze your broth in smaller, usable portions, like 1 cup or 2 cup measurements, where it will remain good for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.